Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open the Google dialer and go straight into Settings. This is where the voice recording announcement option lives. Once inside, locate Call Settings or Voicemail options depending on your build. Make sure you're signed into the same account the dialer uses so settings persist. If prompted for permissions, grant only what's required to view call features. Starting here prevents backtracking later and gives you immediate access to the toggle you'll change in the next steps. Now you locate the call recording or voice recording announcement entry. The label can vary by Android version. Once found, tap it to reveal the announcement toggle and any sub-options like automatic announcements or per-call prompts. Make sure to read the brief description. It explains whether the announcement is played to callers or both parties. If you don't see it, go to Advanced Settings and check Carrier or Regional Restrictions, because some providers control announcement. Toggle the announcement off and respond to any confirmation dialogues. This change should apply immediately. Once done, make a quick test call to confirm the announcement no longer plays. If the announcement still occurs, force stop the dialer app, clear its cache, and restart your phone to refresh settings. As a troubleshooting tip, check your carrier's call settings or a carrier-specific app. Some carriers inject announcements outside the dialer and must be disabled there instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.